What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button right there, right on the corner. So yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a Vals vlog, and I'm gonna take you guys with me to this campaign that Ipsy hit me up on, and they wanted me to be a part of it, which is amazing, for June. And yeah, I just want you to show you exactly how this photo shoot is gonna go. I'm gonna act like I'm a real model, which I know I'm not. I'm gonna act like I know what I'm doing, which I know I'll probably look crazy. But yeah, this should be fun, interesting. I look kind of crazy, no glam on right now, my hair looks a mess, but I will see you guys there.
How are you? So nice to meet you. Your bag is so glam. Yeah, let's start in wardrobe and then we can this is really nice. This guy or
Okay, cool. Yeah, so you know, you just never can be too short, you know what I'm saying? Huh? I got it for this.
Oh my god, amazing. No, you have to do that.
I'm so particular. I'm literally like a perfectionist, so it's really hard for me. I'm like, just gonna say sorry, let me just, you know. And then as far as the makeup and stuff goes, how do you guys want this to go? Like, how do you want this to go?
We have a love option for you. We have makeup artists, hair, nails. Everyone's here to take care of you.
I took them off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after you're all settled in wardrobe, then we'll probably send you to hair or makeup first.
And thank you again for having me.
Yeah, of course. Hey Valerie, thanks so much for being here. So excited to work with you.
Why you take off all your clothes?
Because it's so freaking hot, I mean, I have to get into makeup. And I'm gonna sweat the makeup off. right, you guys, well, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys loved it. I hope that you enjoyed your time watching as much as I had fun at the shoot. And I want to say a huge thank you to Ipsy for having me. It was so much fun and it was such a pleasure. I want to say thank you, and I hope you guys do love the pictures when you guys see them. It's going to be, I believe, the June campaign. It's going to be, I guess, flying colors. So it's going to be dope. I'm excited for you guys to see them, and I can't wait. And yeah, so other than that, I really just hope I didn't look crazy during the photo shoot, like a deer caught in the headlights or something, looking, don't even know what the hell I'm doing, but you know, I'm praying and hoping that they all turned out good. From what I've seen, right? Pictures were good.
They were.
Okay. He gave a thumbs up. And that's my videographer right now. He's helped me out so much in the past, and he decided to help me out today with vlogging. I'm gonna link him right here so you guys can check out his work. Definitely check him out and hire him. So yeah, other than that, remember you guys, it is your vision. It is whatever you make it, as long as you make it freaking fabulous. Until the next one, you guys. Mwah.